my newest piece of gear. I've been wanting this thing forever. It is a jet boil burner. Come on now. I'm gonna go get some firewood. I really can't hike around and do that with slippers on, so changing boots. Well, termites have definitely gotten their hands on this forest right here, so instead of really cutting anything down, I'm just gonna split up the dead wood. I'm gonna have to get more of it for sure, but I don't really have to do much lumberjacking this time. This recipe has a lot of ingredients. I'm gonna get whipping them up. I'm just gonna start with putting the stuffing in this thing here. It has baby spinach, black beans, corn, bell pepper, and jalapenos, and a couple of different seasonings. I will get back to you when I'm all done. So first things first, I'm the realist. I'm gonna get this sliced and diced. I have sweet corn and some black beans. I have forgotten my can opener. So I'm gonna use a pocket knife and a rock. Now I just gotta drain and rinse those. Don't forget your can opener. So the recipe that I found said that there was spinach in it. Kind of interesting. So we're gonna see how that turns out. Now that the filling's done, I'm gonna give it a mix. Should have gotten a bigger bowl. Boom. I also brought stuff to make a elote, so I'm gonna get started on that. And oops. Corn looks great. So I'm just gonna let the corn boil for now, and then in the meantime, I'm gonna start cooking my egg rolls. I'm just gonna use okay, mommies, we're gonna start frying up. That was not hot enough yet. My oil is not hot enough yet, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna let those cool off for a minute. In the meantime, I'm gonna put together the elote. That's what it's looking like. This is so good. Just finished up dinner, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then hang out around the fire. Camp is looking like a disaster. I have like a million chairs for some reason all of a sudden. I'm gonna get it cleaned up a little bit and then hang out by the fire, watch the sunset. And I think hit the bed. I don't know. This is beer number 3. Cheers, people. I gotta go get a stick. It's only 7:15, but I'm freaking tired. Fuck.
It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
It's about 10 right now, so I'm gonna wrap everything up and get to bed. So I will get back with you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. I feel like I just got hit by a car because sleeping in the back of that thing is... So I'm gonna make some coffee and cook up some breakfast. We slept in pretty late this morning, for my standards at least. But yeah, I don't know. We watched Marty Supreme last night. What a movie, huh? Go watch it. I feel hungover. Now, I don't know if it's just because I was sleeping in the back of my car. Am I just getting old? Chat, am I unk? I'm gonna get started on breakfast now. This is why you should always bring plastic cartons. But shout out to Lucky 7 Farms. Pancakes. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all had a great Memorial Day weekend. There's like, there's share, there's subscribe. Ring my goddamn bell. Thank you.